Sanil, I just want to say two lines. Don't be sad that it lasted. Be happy that it happened.
अबे don't be sad that it's over. Be happy that it happened.
जो भी है मान जो भी है.
दोनों
मैं
sentences
भी
same हो.
एकदम कंफ्यूज हो गया, अरे भाई साहब यार गुंडू.
And one laugh that will come back to haunt him. The idea is to, if someone has not followed their career or maybe new fans or whoever, just get to know a little bit more about their careers and celebrate it a little bit more.
Thank you.
And congratulations to Rohit and Virat. Oh, light चलेगी मेरे घर में. Hello guys, welcome back to the Silly Pointers show. One minute silence for what has happened today, guys. दो शब्द आप लोगों की तरफ से, ये क्या हुआ?
दो शब्द तो नहीं है, शब्द ही नहीं है वैसे तो, बट कोई नहीं, जो है सो
Did
है.
you? Whose was a bigger surprise?
कोहलीज फॉर श्योर. मतलब
Why?
I thought his
Hmm.
like probably he would retire in the next couple of series if those
Hmm.
don't go well, but I don't know, it feels like they've been told to retire. Doesn't seem like
मुझे
a
भी यही लग रहा है. मुझे
professional.
तो लगा था कि वो अक्टूबर में जाएगा होम सीरीज में. I genuinely thought that he'll
Yeah.
get क्या hit the farewell. I genuinely thought कि इंग्लैंड
लगा-
सीरीज में गया वापस आएगा अक्टूबर में होम सीरीज में.
10,000 रन
But
तो करेगा लगा मेरे को.
हाँ यार, मुझे भी यही लगा 10,000 रन तो करेगा. But before we move on to the quiz, very quick, favorite Virat Kohli test innings and Rohit Sharma test.
रोहित शर्मा तो इंग्लैंड.
Which England? Where?
इंग्लैंड when he एक ही तो सेना कंट्री में 100 है भाई. वो उसमें भी अगर पूछना पड़ेगा तो कोहली का टेस्ट इनिंग्स काफी सारे हैं, बट आई थिंक मतलब 100 तो नहीं, बट मेरा फेवरेट टेस्ट इनिंग ऑफ हिज वाज जिसमें रहाणे उसको रन आउट करता है 70 पे. आई थिंक दैट वाज अ ब्रिलियंट इनिंग.
74
हाँ.
जो भी था वो.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो बॉल काफी स्विंग हो रहा था अंडर लाइट्स एंड ऐसे प्रॉपर टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखने को मिल रहा था. खैर उसके बाद तो उसको इतना टाइम लग गया 100 बनाने में.
जिसके बाद खत्म ही हो गया भाई वो. हाँ. उस एक रन आउट के बाद
हाँ,
गेम ओवर. गुंडू, तेरा फेवरेट टेस्ट इनिंग्स?
कोहली का तो वो जिसमें जॉनसन को मारे ही जाता है भाई. 4-5 चौके मारे ही जाता है. जॉनसन उसको उकसाते रहता है एंड ये
2014.
एकदम शॉर्ट बॉल डाला जाता है. ये पुल किया जाता है फिर एक ऑफसाइड डाल देता है. भाई कवर ड्राइव मार देता है, कुछ चुम्मी दे देता है उसको.
हाँ, फर्स्ट सेंचुरी एज अ कैप्टन.
या
मेरी भी
या
फर्स्ट बॉल आल्सो ही गॉट हिट ना सर पे.
हाँ.
हाँ, फिर उसको
There
तो
is-
बॉल फेंक के मारते हैं.
I think between this and Edgbaston का 149 जो था शायद उसका.
Oh, that was also good innings. Yes.
क्रेजी भाई.
For
और
sure.
रोहित शर्मा का सेम ओवल वाली सेंचुरी. मतलब वो तो क्या सीरीज थी भाई. केएल राहुल के साथ आता था.
यार ऐसा भी नहीं लगता था कि ही इज गेटिंग ट्रबल. ठीक है, एक हाथ बीट तो कोई भी होता है इंग्लैंड में, बट
हाँ. His peak as a टेस्ट ओपनर. बहुत ही दुख का दिन है आज. हमारा दूसरा लेजेंड भी रिटायर हो गया. तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक रोको स्पेशल क्विज की जाए जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट द रेड बॉल करियर फॉर द टू लेजेंड्स. And while the quiz will have questions from Test, T20, ODI, everywhere, but it'll definitely be entirely around Rohit and Kohli. So yeah, this is basically going to be a very easy, approachable quiz. The idea is to, if someone has not followed their career or maybe new fans or whoever, just get to know a little bit more about their careers and celebrate it a little bit more. Chalo, let's get started. Let me quickly run through the rules. There will be 3 rounds. First round will be power play, where it's a buzzer clap round where we typically shout out. There'll be a question on the screen. You will get 30 seconds. You shout out and you answer the question. Correct answer gets you 10 points. Incorrect answer gets you a -5. Once you have shouted out, you will have to answer. If you don't, you get a -5. If you don't know the answer, if you don't shout, the question just gets passed. In the second round, it's a middle overs round where whatever points you have accumulated in the first round, you will get to bet using those points. There will be 6 categories. You will choose a category. You will put some points on it. If the answer is correct, 2x of that bet will get added to your score. If you answer it incorrectly, the amount of marks points that you had bet, it will get subtracted from your score. While it says no time limit, we'll keep it typically between 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah, तब तक नहीं आया तो I think क्या ही आएगा. And then there is a third round to gain some quick points called slog overs, where there will be very, very easy questions. You will get 30 seconds for the entire round. Each correct answer gets a plus 15 and each incorrect answer gets only a minus 5.
Yeah.
And lastly, the most important rule, when you say this is my answer, when you give an answer, that's your final answer. You can't say, oh, arey, but galti se ye wo, nothing. You are only going to give an advantage to the other person. ठीक है, round 2 में there is no concept of passing the question. Round 3 also there is no concept of passing the question. And that's that. Let's go. Fastest finger first. Our two esteemed contestants, Mr. Sanil hailing from geographical center of the country, Gundu hailing from Vizag. So it's
Yes,
West
sir.
versus South today, and let's see who wins. Round 1, are you guys ready?
Yeah, I think in the
Yes.
spirit of the occasion, I feel ki instead of yelling out, we should yell Roko.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo.
Or you can shout some expletives also, which is a very
Garden में घूमना है.
which is preferred by Rohit and Kohli. But no, let's shout whatever, out, Roko, जो भी आपके मन में आए.
Yeah.
And let's go. Question number 1. Here we go. Gundu, are you ready? You don't look ready.
परपेचुअल है, खोपड़ा ही ऐसा है. चलो let's
As long as you say you are ready. Chalo. Question
Yeah,
number
yeah,
1. Let's go. Against which team
Okay.
did Rohit?
Roko.
Sanil said out first.
Yeah. अभी गुंडू अभी तो सही है ना?
भाई मैंने बोला मगर वो आया नहीं. It's okay.
Ireland.
Ireland is correct. In 2007, he made his ODI debut. Question number 2. Which
Roko.
batting position did Virat Kohli make his debut on?
Opening.
Against?
Sri Lanka.
That is correct. He opened with his current coach, Mr. Gautam Gambhir. Got dismissed for 12, I think. Gundu, come on यार. 0 points के बाद फिर तुझे लोन वोन देना पड़ेगा,
कोई दिक्कत
पागल. चलो,
मैं
question
आउट
number
में बोल रहा हूँ, फ्लाई नहीं दे रहा.
देख, इस वॉल्यूम पे बात कर, तू जिस वॉल्यूम पे बात कर रहा है. पर तूने दूसरे क्वेश्चन में तो आउट बोला नहीं. रोको वो को छोड़, तू आउट
ये
बोल.
मैंने बोला.
चल, लेट्स गो. रोहित शर्मा scores his first ever international
Roko.
century format.
ODI.
ODI is correct. He scored 114 against Zimbabwe, I think in 2012, if I'm not wrong. He was also an MRF boy
Yeah.
at that point. Question number 4. Sanil at 20, Gundu at 10. Here we go. Which year did
Roko.
Kohli was captain? Gundu. India in Test cricket.
In Test cricket.
Hmm.
Uh,
When did Kohli become Test captain?
2015. 13 या
Incorrect. Sanil?
अगर मैंने दिया तो सही होगा और नहीं दिया तो नेगेटिव होगा क्या?
हाँ.
नहीं तो फिर ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Pass.
Pass. Guys, 2014 Australia
I was
tour.
not sure.
Kohli backed out of this tour. मतलब whatever, backed out क्या? Resigned. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Retired.
Yeah.
And Kohli took on, scored a century.
Yeah.
Come on, Gundu, it was right there. Gundu at 5, Sanil at 20. Question number 5. Here we go. Who did Rohit Sharma replace in the playing 11 during the 2007 T20 World Cup when he made 50 of 40 versus South Africa?
मैं तो श्योर नहीं हूँ. Pass.
रोको.
Yes.
आंसर नहीं दूंगा, उसको आंसर देने नहीं दूंगा.
अबे तूने रोको बोला, अब आंसर तो देना.
हाँ.
अगर नहीं दूंगा तो मेरे को 0 है ना फिर भी.
नहीं तो -5 है।
अभी तू
नहीं, 0 है।
अब तू कॉल ऐसे तो फिर मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ने से पहले कॉल कर दूंगा और फिर बोलूंगा मैं नहीं दे रहा। ये क्या बात हुई?
अबे मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, फिर मैं
I
श्योर नहीं हूँ
I
इसलिए।
think you were confused, so you will not get a -5, but just letting you know, you will get a -5 if you have said Rocco or out, whatever. You will have to
Yeah,
answer. But this question goes. He replaced Mr. Yuvraj Singh, who
I
got
thought
injured.
as much, but
मेरे को लगा ही था।
same.
Yes. Question number 6. Let's go. Virat Kohli scored his first ever century at which venue?
Out.
रोको।
Gundu.
ए
You
अरे
you can DRS later. मेरे पास पहले गुंडू की आवाज पहुंची है।
फर्स्ट एवर टेस्ट सेंचुरी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
हाँ, which venue?
वेन्यू पूछा है भाई।
अबे यार, एजबैस्टन।
एजबैस्टन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, पागल।
सॉरी। अरे रुक जा, एडिलेड।
हाँ, पागल
ए
कह
पर
रहा है।
इसने आंसर तो कर दिया ना गलत। फर्स्ट वर्ड
अरे नहीं।
लास्ट वर्ड ये भाई।
That was a very big method.
अरे इट वाज
अरे भाई ये भाई तो मतलब
अंग्रेजी
स्मॉल मिस्टेक और
अंग्रेजी
master
टंग
is God.
ट्विस्टर, अंग्रेजी टंग ट्विस्टर
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम।
अरे
I
हिंदी
had
में
to
वो
explain.
हिंदी में भी वो
Yeah.
ऐसे पर एजबैस्टन ही है क्या? अंग्रेजी मत कर रही।
अरे मेरे मुंह से एजबैस्टन निकल गया, एडिलेड था मेरे दिमाग में था।
Quiz master is God. This was an honest mistake, Sanil. You
Yeah.
अरे तो
don't-
इट इज अ मिस्टेक ना।
No, I will give that to Mr. Gundu. Gundu
Thank you.
is at 15, Sanil is at 20. Question number 7. Here we go. What is the name of Kohli's childhood coach? Not Ramakant Achrekar.
या रोको।
Yeah.
अरुण शर्मा समथिंग लाइक दैट।
Cancel. You get a -5.
क्या है उसका? अच्छा बताने दो।
Gundu, would you like to answer?
नहीं, मेरे को पता नहीं, याद नहीं आ रहा।
You got the surname right though, Sanil. It's Rajkumar Sharma,
अरे हाँ।
not Arun Sharma. So both of you are at 15, and none of you have studied, I would say, the two esteemed careers of our two goats. It was a disrespect.
या प्लास्टिक फैन।
I can only wonder how round 2 is going to be. But question number 8. Here we go. Against which team did Rohit Sharma score 208 not out?
मेरे को कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है दो टीम में।
Okay, take your time. We have 20 seconds.
थोड़ा सा अगर इसमें टेस्ट वनडे T20 कुछ बोल देता तो भाई ज्यादा इजी होता।
हाँ, one day.
Out. ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
Wrong.
श्रीलंका।
Correct. Sri Lanka it is.
मेरे को इसी दो टीम से कंफ्यूजन था मेरे को।
All right,
इसी दो
Sanil at 10, Gundu at 25. Question number 9. Here we go. Who did Virat Kohli replace for his test debut?
रोको।
Yeah,
सचिन।
wrong. -5.
अरे नहीं, मेरे को पता है।
अब तो गया।
बता दे Sanil.
अनिल आंसर नहीं देता तो मैं दे दूंगा। नहीं मिलेगा पॉइंट्स मगर ठीक है।
पर तू हेल्प कर दे यार, सनील की एक आंसर दे दे उसको। कितना पीछे है वो?
सनिल,
नहीं।
जो बंदा चेतक।
मत बता।
टची हो गया सनील। 30 seconds is over. But Sanil, if you were to take a guess.
PVS।
No.
युवराज सिंह।
Yuvraj Singh it is. Both of them replaced Yuvraj Singh at some point.
क्योंकि उस वाले पॉइंट पे ना सचिन का भी इंजरी हुआ था, मगर ही रिप्लेस्ड युवराज सिंह, मगर सचिन का भी उस टाइम पे इंजरी हुआ था। आई हर्ड हिज इंटरव्यू।
Let's go. First century Rohit Sanil.
या वेस्ट इंडीज।
West Indies it is.
177 मारा होगा शायद, इतना मेरे को याद आ रहा है।
ऐसा ही कुछ।
27 ही था।
So both of you are at 20
यस।
after the first round. Just to refresh your memories, that there are 6 categories. You will pick one category and you will put some points on it. You can put any number of points. Correct answer will add 2x of those points to your score. Incorrect will deduct that from your score. Now we have reached a point where generally the person who has a higher score goes first, but both of you are at the same score. So
Yeah.
would you guys like to do some odd or something like that, or should I? उछालो सिक्का on screen share and we decide.
Okay, let Gundu go first if he wants to.
यार ऐसा नहीं है, टॉस तो करना ही
ऑड इवन कर ले सुनील।
हाँ
हाँ।
ठीक है। कौन करेगा सिलेक्ट?
Who will call?
मैं करता हूँ।
You कर।
टेल्स।
Yes, it is.
भाई सुनील।
Tanil, you will go first.
हाँ, I'll
Do
go
you
first.
want
I'll go first.
भाई तो क्या आदमी है यार। चलो,
जोक्स कर रहे सुनील।
these are the 6 categories. करो कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट और डालो उस पे कुछ पॉइंट्स।
मैं करना
I think 4 out of these 6 questions are very easy, is what I think,
मैं करना
given
चाहूँ
the timeline.
the big stage.
The big stage.
हाँ.
India were facing elimination in a tri-nation series down under. They needed not just a win, but a win inside 40 overs against a team that had posted a daunting total. Outwalked a young batter, not yet the face of Indian cricket, but already carrying glimpses of greatness. In one of the most thrilling one-day innings ever played, he tore into the opposition attack, targeting even their legendary death bowler with fearless ease, including one forgettable over where boundaries flew in every direction.
Bet
stayed.
नहीं मैंने।
हाँ तो अब कर दे।
अरे 10 points.
He stayed unbeaten till the end, finishing the chase in just 36.4 overs and keeping India's finals hopes alive, at least temporarily. Who was this batter? I think very easy. What was his individual score in that match, and what total did India post to win the game?
तो exact सटीक नंबर चाहिए।
I was thinking कि इस पूरे round में what, because it's a special quiz, if you give part answers, we'll add the same bet amount to your score instead of 2x.
ठीक है भाई, मेरे आँख
तो इस केस में तुझे 2 देने पड़ेंगे 3 में से जवाब।
हाँ ठीक है। विराट कोहली तो बंदा है, ठीक है। तो वापस बोलता था कि नाक पोंछते हुए ना है। So the batter is Virat Kohli. Individual score, I would say 133 not out. And what total did India post to win the game? यार ये थोड़ा tricky है. But I would say 329.
No, almost there, but you will get 10 points because it was Kohli 133 not out. India scored 321. So we'll add 10 points to your score, and the game goes back to Gundu. Gundu, pick a category and put some points on it.
Twin Souls, 10 points.
Okay, before either of them, Rohit or Kohli, became global superstars, Rocco staged together an innings that hinted at the future domination they would bring. Playing for India A in a 4-nation development tournament involving second-string teams for major cricketing nations, basically A sides, they walked out with the team in trouble. They constructed twin centuries in the same innings, matching each other shot for shot. Basically, they scored identical centuries. They scored the same amount of runs, exact same, in that innings. The opposition attack included bowlers like Ben Cutting, Doug Bollinger, and Ben Laughlin. The tournament wasn't played at home, it was overseas. How many runs did both batters individually score, and in which country was this innings played?
No idea at all, right?
There are hints in the question.
How many runs and which country this innings played with? Ben Cutting, Doug Bollinger, Ben Laughlin तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है. I'll go with the country as Australia and 2008. Maybe I'll take a guess saying 150 as the score.
Australia is correct. You'll get 10 points, but both of them scored 113. This was the first time ever like there was a Rocco masterclass on display.
10 points again. A pipe dream.
A pipe dream. All right, 10 points, a pipe dream. Here we go. He was initially part of India's test squad for a marquee overseas tour, expected to finally make his red ball debut after years of being typecast as a white ball specialist. Everything was on track, the nets, the preparation, the buzz. In fact, during a warm-up match, he looked so good against a short ball that expectations soared. But just before the toss, during the warm-up drills, he suffered a freak ankle injury. Instead of stepping onto the test stage, he was ruled out before the match even began. Ironically, his replacement in the squad was drafted in to play his first overseas tour after his recent debut at home, further delaying the former's test career by several years. Name the country where this tour happened and the player who replaced him in the 11.
Rohit Sharma, South Africa.
You are partly correct. You were asked for the player who replaced him in the 11. So you will not get full 20 points, but you will get 10 points. So your score is 40.
Yeah.
But if you were to take a guess,
I think Saha. I don't know.
wrong. Gundu, just
Eh.
for kicks.
I think it's Rahane if I'm not wrong.
It's Puji. Puji replaced him after he made his debut versus Australia at
Oh.
home. He got his first overseas tour instead of Rohit.
Oh.
But yeah, part point saving अभी तक in every question. Otherwise, all of your scores would have been 0. At least Sunil का अब तक 0 हो चुका होता. गुंडू का अभी हो जाता अगले क्वेश्चन में. गुंडू pick a category and put some points on it.
God like 10 points.
All right, God like 10 points. Here we go. Indian cricket has witnessed moments of unimaginable courage, like when Sachin Tendulkar returned after his father's passing during the 1999 World Cup and scored a century against Kenya, we all know. Years later, one of these two modern greats, one of Rohit or Kohli, faced a similar heartbreak much earlier in his career. Batting overnight on 40 not out in a Ranji Trophy match, he received devastating personal news of his father's demise. Yet, he chose to return to the crease next morning, prioritizing his team's struggle over his grief. Displaying focus and resilience beyond his years, he crafted a fighting knock of 90 runs, helping his side avoid a collapse against a strong domestic bowling attack. Name the domestic tournament, the team he was representing, and the opponent he faced during this emotional innings.
Team he was representing, the opponent he faced during this emotional innings. Team he was representing, it is Delhi. Domestic tournament, I'm not remembering it. I think Vidarbha. And domestic tournament, Ranji Trophy.
All right, Ranji Trophy in Delhi is correct. So you will get 10 points.
क्या
First
बचा
fall
है?
and go.
गोल्डन नाम बचा है और गॉडलाइक.
First fall.
First ball.
फर्स्ट फॉल. अच्छा, तो हम फर्स्ट फॉल लेंगे.
First fall. Chalo. When one of them made his ODI debut, he opened the innings nervously and was dismissed early, caught behind poking at a swinging ball, which has caused him to retire also. His wicket was taken by a bowler who made a career troubling India with a new ball movement. Not a very fast bowler though. When the other made his T20 World Cup debut, he didn't even get a chance to bat, but watched from the dugout as another young Indian batter stole the show with a stylish 50-plus score that sealed India's progression in the global tournament. Name the bowler who
10 point
dismissed the
bet
first.
करो.
10 point. Name the bowler who dismissed the first player on debut, and name the young Indian batter who scored a 50 while the second player watched.
The bowler who dismissed the first player on debut and named the young Indian batter who scored a 50 while the second player watched. And this
So
is
one
हाँ.
is either Kohli's or Rohit's debut, and the other is not either.
ODI
Rohit
debut
or
तो कोहली का है, and he was dismissed early. Why made a career troubling India with new ball movement. वो new ball movement. The first bowler who dismissed the first player on debut was Nuwan Kulasekara, and named the young Indian batter who scored a 50 while the second player watched. So Rohit Sharma watched. Young Indian batter, I think, has to be. Yeah, I think I would go with Robin Uthappa. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है मैं सही हूँ, बट मैं दो बॉलर्स में कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ, कुलसेकरा और चमिंदावास. बट चमिंदावास को आई डोंट नो वेदर ही वाज प्लेइंग इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर इज नुवान कुलसेकरा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी रॉबिन उथप्पा.
Nuwan Kulasekara from which country?
श्रीलंका.
It is correct. It is Nuwan Kulasekara and Robin Uthappa. Robin Uthappa scored that 50, I think, coming at number 3 against Pakistan.
Yeah, I was
There-
confused between Robin and DK. But then I
Oh, DK आ जाता है भाई हर important ICC tournament में.
Then I realized I think DK for the longest time did not score a 50 in international cricket, right?
हाँ, he was just around. पर वो भोला भाला बेचारा, कभी उसने जस्टिस नहीं मांगा।
भाई उसका तो
एक
मुझे बस
instant-
कैच ही याद है ग्रेम स्मिथ पे।
भाई
वो
उसकी निगाह भाई
वो तो
क्रेजी। चलो, गुंडू at 40, Sunil at 60, only one category to go, golden arm or arms. Gundu, how many points are you betting?
10.
भाई 20 कर यार।
भाई तू 40 पे है भाई, कुछ कमान सरपास कैसे करेगा सुनील को?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, 10 है।
चल, 10 points on golden arms. Here we go. Known for his effortless batting and six-hitting ability, one of these two legends once stunned everyone with the ball, not just by taking wickets, but by completing a hat-trick in a high-profile T20 tournament. Rolling his arm over for his franchisee team, he dismissed 3 batters in 3 consecutive deliveries, a feat usually reserved for strike bowlers, not elegant top batters. 2 of his victims were established international players at the time, making the achievement even more special. Name the opposition, that's one part of the question, and 3 players that Rohit Sharma dismissed to complete the hat trick.
मेरे को ये मैंने पढ़ा भी है। Was it ODIs में ना?
भाई हाई प्रोफाइल T20 टूर्नामेंट लिखा हुआ है,
पर तू ओडीआई का
भाई,
आंसर कर सकता है।
तू ओडीआई का आंसर कर सकता है, तेरे ऊपर है।
सॉरी T20 टूर्नामेंट्स देखा नहीं। इट इज IPL डेक्कन चार्जर्स, ये तो पता है। नेम द ऑपोजिशन एंड 3 प्लेयर्स रोहित शर्मा डिसमिस। आई एम
Yes.
गोइंग विद KKR और पंजाब, इन दोनों में से ही है।
देना तो एक आंसर है।
सर आई एम गोइंग विद KKR। नहीं
Hmm.
हाँ, आई एम गोइंग विद KKR। 3 बैट्समैन हु ही गॉट आउट उस टाइम पे। KKR पे नीचे के बैट्समैन कौन थे?
जॉन खेलता था ना।
चलो लेट मी टेक अ वाइल्ड गेस ओनली। एक तो वो हो सकता है लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला, आई वुड से।
My favorite.
एक लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला बोल रहा हूँ। दूसरा आई वुड से यस, नीचे कौन आता था भाई बैटिंग पे KKR का?
बता तो रहा हूँ, मुरली
अरे
कार्तिक
सब
और
उस समय तो सब ऊपर के बैट्समैन थे भाई, क्योंकि जल्दी आती थी बैटिंग।
हाँ, उस समय तो केकेआर सबको मौका देती थी।
चलो मत समझ नहीं आ रहा। लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला, KKR 2009, जैक कलिस तब तक RCB में था या KKR में आ गया, मेरे को समझ पता नहीं, मगर आई
मत
एम
देना भाई आंसर, नहीं पता तो।
चलो शाकिब, लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला एंड लक्ष्मीपति बालाजी। चलो
I would say all 4 of your answers are incorrect.
पंजाब था क्या?
Against your favorite franchisee, Mumbai Indians, and he dismissed
मुंबई के साथ था?
Abhishek Nair, Harbhajan Singh, and JP Dumini.
No
You
idea.
get a -10, Gundu. You come down to 30. Sanil, you are at 60. And we are going to our final round, which is slog overs. Since in the previous round, Sanil went first. In this one, Gundu, you will go first. You will get 30
Yeah.
seconds. I will try and read out questions as quickly as possible. If you read it before I say it out loud, you can answer it. But your 30 seconds start now. Virat Kohli scored his first century as a Test captain against which country?
Australia.
Correct. Rohit Sharma made his Test debut at which iconic Indian stadium?
Eden Gardens.
Rohit Sharma scored twin centuries against which team?
Where? South Africa.
How many IPL titles have Virat Kohli won as captain?
0.
You just wasted 3-4 seconds.
क्या
I could have
भाई
read
हंस के रहा है
it.
जीरो करके ऐसे?
But वो चलता
भाई मेरे को
नहीं।
हंसी आ गया भाई क्वेश्चन देख के।
तो इसके
अनिश लानत।
You have scored 60 points, so you are at 90. Sanil, you need to answer 3 answers correctly and no answers incorrectly to.
and I can pass ना, मतलब without negative marking।
नहीं,
हाँ
नेगेटिव होगा ना फिर।
अच्छा
are you ready?
या
Let's go. Virat Kohli made his T20 debut against which country?
T20 डेब्यू Against which country? Sri Lanka.
Zimbabwe. Virat Kohli scored 2011 World Cup century against which team?
Bangladesh.
Correct. Against which country did Virat Kohli score his first Test double century?
Australia.
West Indies. Which edition ICC World Cup Rohit Sharma
2019.
scored 5? How many WTC cycle have Virat Kohli captain India for?
1.
1 is correct. You get 45 minus 10. 35. You are at 95. You have beaten Rohan by just 5 points. Very, very close shave, I
Yeah.
must say. Gundu, hard luck,
No problem, no problem.
but very well fought, I would say.
Thanks,
So
well.
we end at Gundu at 90, Sunil at 95, and one laugh that will come back to haunt him. That could have.
I don't mind. I don't
taken-
mind the loss. I don't mind the loss for my laugh over here.
It would have taken him to 105.
Nahi
but
baat.
alas. And yeah, congratulations to Sunny on the victory.
Thank you.
And congratulations to Rohit and Virat. Oh fuck, light चली गई मेरे घर में.
Oi.
Congratulations to Rohit and Virat on their illustrious career. मैं फ्लैश जला के क्लोजर दूंगा इस वीडियो का. Yeah, congratulations to Rohit and Virat on their illustrious
ये
career.
बहुत डरावना दिख रहा है हितेश.
Easter egg for those people या question for those people जो guess कर ले कि हितेश आज कौन से part of India में है.
I would just like to say that we hope to see Rohit and Virat in ODIs for the foreseeable future. Let's hope
Yes.
that we see them lifting another trophy together before
Yeah.
they bow out in 2027 and Kohli makes a comeback in T20s to play the Olympics.
Just
Till then-
saying, Rohit will be 40 when he plays the World Cup. If he plays,
Still got it. Still got it.
Got it by.
will he be the first player who will win a World Cup at 40?
ये हम
Tell us
next
in the
quiz में
comments.
next quiz.
Tell us in the comments. Thank you guys. Bye bye.